Welcome back, fruit lovers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of oranges, a citrus fruit that's not just a tasty treat but a powerhouse of nutrients. From their origins to their health benefits and culinary versatility, let's explore why oranges are such a beloved staple in our diets. Oranges, with their zesty flavor and bright color, have become a global favorite. Whether you enjoy them fresh, juiced, or as a flavorful addition to dishes, they offer a refreshing burst of taste and health benefits. But what makes these juicy fruits so special? Let's find out. Oranges are packed with nutrients yet low in calories, making them a smart choice for a healthy diet. A medium-sized orange delivers over 100% of your daily vitamin C needs, essential for a strong immune system. They're also rich in vitamin A, potassium, and fiber, supporting everything from good vision to digestive health. Let's explore some fantastic health benefits of oranges. Boosting immunity. The high vitamin C content in oranges helps produce white blood cells, crucial for fighting off infections, making them a great choice during cold and flu season. Heart health benefits. Oranges contain flavonoids like hesperidin that can lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Their fiber also supports heart health by reducing the risk of heart disease. Skin and beauty perks. Antioxidants in oranges combat free radicals, promote collagen production, and help keep your skin looking youthful and glowing. There are several types of oranges, each with unique qualities. Navel oranges. Sweet, seedless, and easy to peel, perfect for snacking or adding to salads. Valencia oranges. Juicy and ideal for making fresh orange juice with a balanced sweet tart flavor. Blood oranges. Known for their striking red flesh and berry-like flavor, great for gourmet dishes and cocktails. Mandarin oranges. Small, sweet, and easy to peel, including varieties like clementines and tangerines, making them perfect for kids and on-the-go snacks. Oranges are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Fresh consumption. Enjoy a fresh orange as a snack, add it to breakfast, or use it in desserts. Juices and beverages. Orange juice is a classic, but oranges also enhance smoothies and cocktails with their citrusy zing. Cooking and baking. Use orange zest, juice, and peel in marinades, dressings, cakes, and cookies to add a burst of flavor. Oranges are featured in diverse cuisines. Mediterranean dishes. In Mediterranean cuisine, oranges are used in salads and Moroccan tagines. Asian influences. In Chinese cuisine, oranges are used in sauces, desserts, and even as a garnish for dishes like Peking duck, adding a unique flavor profile to these dishes. American favorites. In the U.S., oranges are popular in desserts and salads and often feature in holiday dishes like cranberry orange sauce. They also shine in breakfast classics like orange juice. Oranges are a delightful addition to many desserts. Classic orange desserts. Think of refreshing orange sherbet, decadent orange cake, and sweet candied orange peels. These treats bring a bright, citrusy twist to classic sweets. Modern twists on orange-flavored treats. Chefs are getting creative with oranges, incorporating them into modern desserts like orange-infused chocolate and orange panna cotta, keeping this fruit exciting and versatile. To get the most out of your oranges, here's how to select and store them. Choosing the best oranges. Look for oranges that are firm, heavy for their size, and have a bright, vibrant color. Avoid any with soft spots or blemishes. Proper storage methods. Store oranges in a cool, dry place to keep them fresh for up to 2 weeks. For longer storage, refrigerate them to extend their shelf life. Oranges are available year-round, but their peak season varies. Navel oranges. Best enjoyed in winter. Valencia oranges. Juiciest in the summer. With global cultivation, you can enjoy fresh oranges almost anytime. Here are some fun facts about oranges. Did you know oranges are technically a type of berry? They were once considered a luxury item, only available to the wealthy. Oranges symbolize good fortune in many cultures, especially in China. Oranges have left their mark on popular culture, appearing in literature, movies, and art. They often symbolize vitality and happiness, making them a popular choice in various forms of expression. For those with a green thumb, growing your own oranges can be a rewarding experience. Oranges thrive in warm, sunny climates and need well-drained soil. With the right care, you can enjoy fresh oranges right from your garden. Let's debunk some common myths. Myth: oranges are too acidic and harm your teeth. Fact: While they are acidic, consuming them in moderation and practicing good dental hygiene can prevent issues. Myth: orange juice is as healthy as whole oranges. Fact: whole oranges provide fiber, which is often lost in the juicing process, making them a better option for digestive health. Like all agricultural products, orange production has an environmental impact. Many growers are adopting sustainable practices, such as reducing pesticide use and conserving water. Supporting organic and local growers can help minimize this footprint. And now, let's answer some of your most common questions about oranges. Are oranges good for weight loss? Yes, they're low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. Can I use orange peel in cooking? Absolutely. Orange zest adds a bright flavor to many dishes. How many oranges should I eat per day? 1 to 2 oranges per day can help you meet your vitamin C needs. Are there any allergic reactions to oranges? Rarely, but if you suspect an allergy, consult a healthcare professional. What's the difference between orange juice and whole oranges? Whole oranges contain fiber, which is lost in the juicing process. Oranges are more than just a delightful fruit, they're a nutritional powerhouse with a rich history and a multitude of uses. Whether you're enjoying them fresh, in a refreshing juice, or as part of a delicious dish, oranges are sure to brighten your day. Next time you're at the market, don't forget to grab a few and enjoy all the benefits they offer. Thanks for joining us on this juicy journey through the world of oranges. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fruity content. See you next time.